In today's video, I'm going to share a 2022 detox protocol that is focused on boosting your immune system and getting rid of toxins, and helping you to start the new year in a much healthier state. I will give a few simple dietary and lifestyle tips and the exact list of supplements that we should all be taking right now if we want to be healthy. The past 2 years were pretty tough for all of us, and we all have been exposed to toxic substances or microorganisms that damaged our immune system and decreased our overall health. Some of us have drastically reduced immune function, meaning they get sick all the time. Some of us have chronic brain fog, headaches, lack of energy and motivation. And some of us have even way more severe health problems right now. We need to fix this. We've been kept in lockdowns. We couldn't go on holidays as much. We've been exposed to a lot of stress. My own health went down the hill in these past 2 years after catching the virus twice. I'll share a 2022 detox protocol that can help to boost your immune system, get rid of toxins, and improve your overall health. I'll share the exact steps that I use to stay healthy in these difficult times. I'm not gonna go into the exact details. Why would someone's health go down the hill in these past 2 years? Because I assume you already know this. But we have more than one reason. And we've all been damaged in one way or another. This 2022 detox protocol that focuses on boosting your immune system and getting rid of toxins is relevant to everyone. By the way, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Greta, and I'm an online nutritionist and a holistic health coach. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for weekly videos about insulin resistance, detox, diabetes, all the other chronic health conditions, and improving your general health. So if you want to be healthy, you should definitely subscribe. And by the way, this is not a medical advice. My videos are for educational purposes only. Let's start with the diet. Make sure you reduce your sugar intake as much as possible. Sugar weakens your immune system even further. So people with elevated blood glucose and elevated HbA1c are the ones dying the most. So make sure you eat well. Plenty of colorful veggies, preferably raw. Berries, fermented foods, healthy fats, and so on. Having at least one large salad or a smoothie a day is a must. Make sure you spend time outdoors. We need sunshine and fresh air for a well-functioning immune system. Most people who are dying now are also vitamin D deficient. Vitamin D is essential for well-functioning immune system. In addition, being exposed to the sun makes you feel so much better. It lifts your mood up. Then next tip, sleep 8 to 9 hours each night, with no exceptions. Poor sleep can nullify all the other efforts to be healthy, so make sure you take your sleep seriously. Lack of sleep can increase your blood sugar, your cortisol, and weaken your immune system. We get toxic waste accumulation and cancer cell formation every single day. We get that cleared out during the night, when we don't eat and digest, and can finally rest and repair our bodies. Eat 2 to 3 times a day, with no snacking. This will allow your body to spend more time on cleaning out toxins and protecting you from pathogens. There's nothing worse than constant eating. And make sure you go for a walk each time after you eat. It helps to keep your blood glucose lower. In addition, walking is exercise. Not moving enough reduces your blood flow and makes you more likely to get blood clots. Standing up and moving around every hour and going for a walk 3 times a day would certainly help your blood flow and strengthen your immune system. Even better if you live close to the forest. Walking in a forest was shown to improve your natural killer cells that help you to fight off infections. I'm lucky to live by the forest and sea. I go for a walk at least 3 times a day and try to get some sunlight. And we've been told that sun is bad. We should avoid it. We should use sun protection. while sun is so crucial for our health. We need sun for creating melatonin, that is a powerful antioxidant that is responsible for regulating our sleep cycles. We need sun for lifting our moods up. We need it for synthesizing vitamin D from cholesterol. We need sun for well-functioning immune system, so make sure you get enough of it. Go outside, go on holidays, take vitamin D if it's not that sunny outside. It's one of the most important things to do now. Now let's get into the food supplements that you should be taking if you want to detoxify and strengthen your immune system. And most of the supplement stack is created by one wonderful doctor, and a few things are added from me. I'll share the exact supplements and their dosage. So if you're taking any other medications, you should discuss it with your doctor first. So first, we should all use detoxifying supplements that help to remove heavy metals and other toxic materials out of our bodies. I use zeolite, which is a natural volcanic mineral that is proven to bind to heavy metals and safely excrete them out of our bodies. I have a whole video explaining what is zeolite, how it works, and how to use it. You can watch it later. How to use zeolite for detox. You have to mix 0.5 grams of the small particle size zeolite, 1.5 grams of the larger particle size zeolite with around 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix it well with a non-metal spoon and drink it around 20 to 30 minutes before or after eating, and repeat it 3 times a day. Then the next supplement to take is ginkgo biloba extract, 120 milligrams twice daily. It increases the blood flow to the brain, improves memory, and contains a compound that protects us from spike toxicity. Then the next supplement is NAC, an acetylcysteine, which you should get 1,200 to 2,400 milligrams per day on an empty stomach. And you can try a smaller dose first and slowly increase it. It helps to boost our glutathione levels. That's our master antioxidant that helps our bodies to detoxify. In addition, it helps to prevent blood clots. That's a supplement that everyone should be taking right now. The next food supplement is vitamin C from natural sources like acerola cherry extract, or liposomal vitamin C, which is fat-soluble form, because it's absorbed better. And you should take 1 gram spread throughout the day. If it's in a powder form, you simply mix it with water and drink it 3 times a day. And when I say vitamin C, I don't mean those orange sugar pills. I mean clean, sugar-free and junk-free supplement. Then the next immune system strengthening supplement is vitamin D3, 10,000 IUs per day. It's best to take vitamin D3 and K2 drops. Next immune system boosting supplement is zinc, 30 to 80 milligrams per day. It improves our immune system and helps us fight off infections. And for zinc to get into the cells and do its job, we also need quercetin, 500 to 1000 milligrams twice daily. Actually, vitamin C, quercetin, and zinc work together. That's the bare minimum that someone should be taking right now. So that's it. That's my 2022 detox protocol to help you boost your immune system and get rid of toxins. I wish you very good health for this year. If you found this video useful, like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.